Alright guys, so this just popped up. I didn't get any kind of notification. It just like no sound or nothing. Thing is, I think it went to my watch, but here it is. National Test and National Wireless Emergency Alert System. Purpose is to maintain and improve alert and warning capabilities at the state, federal, state, local, and tribal territorials, and to evaluate national public alert and warning capabilities. No action is required. I did bring my watch, so let's see what it did there. It's the same thing. It's hard to do this with this. I had to bring my old phone out. Supposedly they're doing this. Yeah, it's the same thing. So it's the integrated public alert and warning system. There's this. So first one on the world of coal that we've actually caught.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
And there you guys have it. So there is the wireless and there's the radio. It can't catch the TV. So that's gonna do it from the world of coal for the national wireless testing. We will see you guys on the next one.